Here's how to use Emergent AI. Emergent AI is accessible on Safari, Google, or Chrome. As you can see, you can just go ahead and click on the first website that you are going to see and continue with Google sign-in options. And then, as you can see, you can just go ahead and choose which advanced controls would you like to do to the Emergent AI. And then, how are you going to use it on your own? First, click on the build prompt options. Afterwards, just go ahead and put on the prompts that you need. Let's say, for example, build me a clone of Facebook. Afterwards, click on the arrow button that you can see at the right side, and then you have to wait for a few seconds until the agent of the Emergent AI is going to run the prompts that you asked. And then click on the three-line button that you can see at the left side. Click on Deployed Apps, wherein here you will see there all the application that has been built or you've been built using the Emergent AI. As you can see, there is a build options that you can do as an outline. Or if you want to upload a file, click on the clip button that you can see and just go ahead and upload a file to help build your app.